Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to your English grammar classes. And in today's English grammar class, we are going to start with the chapter number 19, Interjections. Interjections are words that are used to express your sudden feelings, your emotions. Okay, so now let's start and let's learn about some new interjections. Engage. Look at the following situation. Respond with the word or sound that shows how you feel. Say it out loud. Okay. Your lunch. You drop your lunch. So you can say, oh, you dropped your lunch. You see a huge birthday cake. Wow. You step on something sticky. Ew. Your friend gives you a surprise gift. Wow. You hear a loud thunder. Oh. So we all use some words which give a sudden feeling. They expressed a sudden feeling or a emotion. Read each sentence, add a word or a sound to show how someone might feel. I dropped an ice cream. Oh no. Tried this. Dash, I forgot my to do my homework. We can also use oh no here. Oh no, I forgot to do my homework. Dash, I won the first prize. Hooray! Hooray, I won the first prize. That's a huge spider. Wow. You can be surprised also. You can be fascinated also if it's a big spider. Dash food smells bad. Yuck. This food smells bad. Dash hurt my knee. Ouch. I hurt my knee. These are all words that came suddenly. When I read this sentence, these words come. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. These are showing your sudden feelings and emotion. For example, hello, I'm glad you have come. When we say hello, it's like a greeting. Hooray, I stood first in my class. Hooray is for joy. Alas, the great leader is no more. Alas shows your grief when you are sad. Bravo, a great hit. Bravo shows appreciation, my dear kids. The word interjection means thrown in. It is a word thrown into a sentence to show emotion. Interjection का meaning क्या होता है? Throw in, कुछ फेंकना. And when it's thrown into a sentence, it shows emotion without affecting the sentence. It is just showing an emotion and it is not affecting the sentence whatsoever. An interjection is followed by an exclamation mark. You put an exclamation mark in end of an sentence, which is end of the word, which is an interjection. Common interjection and their emotions. So now what are these? Hooray. Hooray shows joy. Hush. Request for silence. When someone is teaching in your class, sometimes they say, hush, keep quiet. Ah, wow, surprise or pleasure. Ah, sadness or regret. Bravo, it shows appreciation. Hello, greeting. What? Surprise or anger. Alas, grief. Oh, sadness or wonder. Okay, now we have a activity that you can do. Here are some fun interjections you may have heard before. Hum, ouch, Pew yeeks. Oh, hooray, ha, yuck. Work in prayer reads aloud and guess the feeling or emotion they may express. And then you have to write short sentences. Okay, you have to do this activity with your friends. Now let's evaluate what we have learned. Identify the emotion expressed in these sentences. Oh, I hated the film. So, what is the O showing here? I told you two things that O could show. What were they? They were sadness or wonder. So, now is this sentence a wonder that you are like, wow, or it is a sentence that you are sad about? I hated the film. It is showing a sort of sadness, but you didn't like it. Ah, what a silly mistake. Ah shows, what is ah showing? We have the table, you have to look in this table. Sadness or regret. This is sadness. Regret. Okay, this is regret. You are regretting the mistake you made, the silly mistake. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Hush is for requesting silence. Okay, then you can do some on your own. Let's do the last one. Hooray, we won the inter-school debate competition. Hooray is for joy, for celebration. Fill in the blanks with suitable interjection. I hurt my leg. Ouch. Dash, I am Akshat. Hello, you will. Whenever you're meeting someone, you greet them. Hello. Dash, may I help you? Hello, may I help you? First, you'll greet the person and then only you'll ask. Then some you can do on your own. Let's do the last one. Dash, the tiger is chasing the deer. Oh, okay, you wondered and you're sad about this fact. Then there is a fun corner activity that you have to do on your own. Now kids, this chapter is over here. I hope that you understood the chapter. Now I'll meet you all in the next chapter with a new video. Until then, you have to take very good care of yourselves and you have to keep learning and keep growing, kids. Thank you.